Little kits, big dreams. What would rabbit kits say if they could speak in sentences? This book imagines just that. Cuddly rabbit kits talk about their dreams for adulthood. Find out what they want to do and be when they grow up.
I can't wait to grow up.
Dream look.
When I grow up, I want a big white pom-pom for a tail. My dream is to be recognized as a cottontail. My mom says that not every rabbit's tail is bright white and puffy. She takes pride in the fact that our family is named for our cotton ball tails. My mom has the cutest tail.
Dream home.
When I grow up, I want to be a sheltered animal. My dream is to have a sunken home. My mom says that I should build a pit in the ground. That way, my home will be hidden from predators. Too many animals see me as a tasty meal. I live in danger.
Dream meal.
When I grow up, I want to cut lawns like a mower. My dream is to eat countless blades of grass.
Dream meal.
When I grow up, I want to cut lawns like a mower. My dream is to eat countless blades of grass. My mom says that grinding grass is good for my teeth. My teeth never stop growing, so I need to chew every day to keep them short.
Dream hobby.
When I grow up, I want to be an escape artist. My dream is to have amazing stories of great escapes. My mom says that she has been trapped more than once in her life. She has chewed and dug her way to freedom. She has also zigzagged to avoid capture. My mom always gets away.